Man, this is awesome. We are getting the world's greatest cars have been coming through here lately, and this one is one of the best of the best. If you're that guy that's hard to please, nothing's ever good enough, this is for you. This car is incredibly nice. It's a tribute to the Yenko. Of course, got all the Yenko stripes, but also has the 69 427 motor under the hood. Nut and bolt restored from the bottom up. Car's incredible. The fit and finish is better than any car, or as good as the best. The gaps are square and flush. The finish, it feels like Teflon. The stainless moldings are polished like chrome. It's all new smoked glass. The top is perfect. Got polished wheels, a little bit bigger in the back, a little meatier. The lenses, the exhaust tips, everything is just brand new on this car. And not just a bunch of new parts. I mean, they assembled it really well. Again, the fit and finish is outstanding. I don't know of a flaw anywhere on this car, and I never say that. Look at the door jambs. They're polished like the outside of the car. Under the hood is a 427. I'll start it up in a minute, so hang tight. Bring a white glove and you can stick it in there anywhere. It's spotless. It has power steering, power disc brakes. Every rubber seal, gasket. Not only is it all new, but again, it all fits right. The glass just rolls up and down. The interior is the same way. Not just new seat covers, but new cushions, so they fit tight as a drum. There's not a wrinkle. All the little chrome pieces, the window cranks and handles, the dash, it's all spotless. Get the key and open the trunk. I'll pop the trunk open for you. Again, this is like glass. They must have buffed the underside of this trunk. Completely clean metal, all painted a spatter finish paint. The jack is restored, new weather strip, the latches are detailed, new wiring, the seams are perfect. Again, just immaculate. Got that genuine muscle car sound. Sitting inside the car, the console, the heater controls, visors, everything is pristine. So go to volocars.com. This car is for sale, along with a few hundred other cars. But this thing is really incredible. If you're fussy, this car is for you. If you want to turn heads, this is for you. If you want to just be the coolest guy on the block, that car is for you.